Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geetika Arya. So I'm back with another video and today is going to be a TV review and it's from TCL and I'm going to explain all the features, all the main features of this television. बहुत ही user friendly लगा. So make sure you watch this video till the end and now without further ado, let's start the video.
So the model is TCL S5400A 2K FHD Smart Android TV. The packaging was really good, बहुत ही sturdy थी and the TV is very lightweight. So जो TV है बहुत ही sleek है, इसके लिए कोई separate stand वगैरह की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो इसका base है वो broad है, so you just have to put it on your cabinets. इसका जो remote है उसमें भी separate options है for all the apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube. This TCL TV has full high definition display which provides a resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels, delivering clear and sharp visuals with vivid colors. Plus TCL FHD TV features HDR10 technology which enhances the picture quality by providing a wider range of colors and brighter whites. The TV has a sleek metallic bezel-less design which provides a more immersive viewing experience by eliminating distractions around the screen. Also, it comes with Google TV which provides access to a vast library of content and streaming services. Users can also use voice commands to search for content and control the TV.
Hey Google, play Geetika Arya bedroom makeover.
The TV has a big memory which allows for smoother operation and faster loading times. It also comes with access to a massive amount of content including movies, TV shows and apps. The TV features Dolby audio technology which provides a premium audio experience with crystal clear dialogue, rich bass and immersive surround sound. The TV comes with two HDMI ports which allow users to connect multiple devices such as gaming consoles, streaming devices and soundbars. The TV has built-in Wi-Fi which allows for easy and convenient access to online content and streaming services. The TV comes with Bluetooth 5.0 which allows for easy wireless connectivity to compatible devices such as headphones, speakers and smartphones. With an upgraded storage capacity of 16 GB ROM and 1.5 GB RAM, you can now store and enjoy a wider range of high-quality digital content on your device.
सो गाइज बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टीवी है. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कितने अच्छे फीचर्स हैं, एक्सट्रीमली यूजर फ्रेंडली. अगर आप गेमिंग करते हो तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, रेजोल्यूशन अच्छी है, पिक्चर क्वालिटी अच्छी है, प्लस बजट में है ये टीवी. सो गो चेक आउट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. आई हैव एडेड द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. आई सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. टिल देन, बाय.